I want spots, and I'm gonna make a brush out of the spots. No. I have this giraffe. I've hung it on my door. And when I started this artwork, I was like exiting and I was like, I want to do one of those, but like with this cockatoo that I've got. I took photos of, there's cockatoos here, they like to hang around. Alright, birdoflage. K-L-M-N-O-P. Birdoflage. Okay, delete. Don't know. Okay. Oh, more birds. Delete. Donut. I need a ground. I like this sky too. I want spots, and I'm gonna make a brush out of the spots. Putting a bird on this bird. Sure. Alright, I want everything yellow. So yellow strawberries. Alright, I'm gonna grab extra wings and put extra wings. Yeah. No. Done. Yep. That's it. I think it's sweet. I think it's cute. Yeah, so I've got the time-lapse up here if you feel like seeing it. It's on my time-lapse channel. It's just like silent art. And that's essentially all that channel is. Yeah, I've also got a still image of the artwork on my website below if you feel like zooming in and seeing the artwork or maybe grabbing one for yourself. Click like if you enjoyed watching the artwork being made. I'm at the moment thinking, because the artworks get the paintings get a lot more attention than the digital artwork, so I'm thinking I might switch things up soon. Let me know what you think of the artworks or like the documentation of them. Yeah, end card.